Yeah, hi guys. I just got my New Balance M990v2 from End. I won the raffle, so I'm just about to unbox it and then see how it is. Whoa, yeah. Okay. Wow, I like the box. It's nice. Has something in here. What's it saying? Okay. Yeah, so this is a size UK 10, US 11. And I think it's got an extra lace in here. And then it's got I think a violet or purple lace here in there as well. And then the bottom looks nice and fresh. Yeah, I think I will give this a 6/10. Honestly, I don't really like it. Seeing it like this, I don't like it anymore. Nah, a 6/10 is all right. But then, as a sneakerhead, you just need to buy them. You get addicted to buying sneakers, so this one of them.